Hi everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Kia Sportage LX. This has a blue exterior with a gray and black interior. All-wheel drive with this vehicle. Lots of storage space. Trunk back here. And of course you can flip down those rear seats if you need even more storage. Take a look at the rear of the vehicle. Got our rear seats, and let's take a quick peek up at the front. Driver's side door controls. Noisy day in the shop today. Driver's seat controls. Driver's seat. Steering wheel. Now, mileage on this vehicle is currently at 10,855. And we have a turnkey ignition. Touchscreen display here, controlling radio, seeing backup camera, and of course includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below that we have climate control, shifter, and if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting any additional information about this Kia Sportage LX, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.